Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today, day number 19 of DAX functions in Power BI. In this 18 days, we have discussed about what are the top 8 Power BI DAX functions which we have commonly used, and in that we have first dealt with date and time, various date and time functions, and we have proceeded with informative functions, and then we have discussed with logical functions. In these things, we have discussed multiple functions which are used for each and every function headers. Now we are currently dealing with mathematical and trigonometric functions. Here we have already uploaded video about ABS, which is absolute function, and degree function, which is our prior video. Today in this video we are going to see the interesting function which is a fact. Before starting today's video, if you are watching our channel for the first time and if you are feeling that we have missed our video of prior 18 days, don't worry, we have provided the playlist link in the description box. Please do watch it and share it to your friends who all want to learn important DAX functions as well. Let's start with the today's session. So here I am going to create a new measure for this particular data set. So measure, let it be a measure, and I'm just typing the fact. I'm pressing tab. You can see it returns the value of a number which is equal to factorial of a number which is equal to 1 into 2 into 3. So obviously this is a mathematical function which is a factorial. It will give the results of each and every number which you are going to give. So now I'm going to check it for the number of 5, and I'm closing the bracket and hitting enter. So the message is created. Now I am creating another card. This is the degrees card. I am going to create the other card which is for measure, and I am hitting the enter. So I got the value as 120. So to check the factorial if the value is correct or not, I am opening the calculator and let's see. So 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So obviously our value matches here. So this is how the factor, which is a fact DAX function, works in Power BI. Hope you have understood this video, and if you have any queries in this video, please post your queries in the comment box. We will try to reach you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching our channel. We will meet you in another exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.